This is the Ray lightsaber I'm opening up today. At the back, at the front, and this one's a little bit different than the one that I have already. I have a few of that one actually, but this one has a lot of different stuff that the other one does not. Like new art on it and stuff. Just a lot of stuff that the other one didn't have. And we're gonna open up the battery compartment real quick. Take that off. And we got this battery. We got this battery. And we got this battery. It turns on really nice. Oh, I love how they do the sound effects now. I'm never gonna want a lightsaber without that now. Cut.